Hey guys, so we are going to be looking at MONSTA X's new We Are Here. So I think it's their second version of this style, but for this unboxing I wanted to try something slightly different. So as you can see, I'm not really sure where to look over here. I decided to try and do a reaction unboxing this time. Because I'm told a lot because I do try to contain a lot when I'm watching these, so a lot of things happen on my face that you clearly cannot see. So I decided I wouldn't do this for all my unboxings, but I thought I'd do it for some of my favorites or new groups or things like that. So let's just get this started, and hopefully I don't freak out too much. And as you can tell, I did my nails to match IMs. Hopefully I got those right. But if you see me looking left, that's just to make sure everything does stay in frame, so you might see the back of my head a little bit. But here we go, and hopefully you guys like this different style of unboxing. Okay, so let me move these out of the way. So we are starting with the WEA. It's still a pet peeve for me, like I mentioned for their last one, this whole just letters and part of it. I mean, this is a much more attractive cover to me than the white ones because it was kind of hard to see the lettering, but this black with the kind of the hollow white, it's a lot easier to read, so it is slightly better, but still I wish the covers could stand alone and look beautiful by themselves. Okay, so let me just see if I can't get a corner to rip this open. Okay. So here's our front, nice and shiny. And the back, you can tell where the disc is clearly. So there's going to be a lot of photo cards because of course we have the pre-order cards and then just the album cards. I do have 2 of each album because I bought another set from Amazon along with the folded posters, so I will go through the folded posters at the end. There's 4 different ones, of course one for each version. So you have a nice little fold out piece here. Ooh! So you can already see kind of what the theme probably will be for the photo book. Okay. Do love this like red. Young one. Just love how colorful these are. I hope they have photos in here of IM with his blonde hair, because when I first saw it, kind of freaked out because that's the first time he actually changed, I think, the color of his hair instead of staying within like a brownish, blackish kind of color tone. What's up with the apples? Makes me think of Adam and Eve with the apples. Alright, so here's all our goods and my code. So I got the group card. So I have a feeling these might be a lot like the other ones, especially since this postcard's the exact same size. And then we got a transparent, looks like they're going to make the little hearts like the beautiful ones had. And then we've got 3 photo cards. We have 2 member cards. And then a unit card. Ooh, nice and thick like their other ones have been. So MONSTA X for me has some of my favorite quality photo cards because they're not thin, they're a pretty nice thickness, and they just feel really, really nice. And I'm happy I got IM's photo card. Hopefully I'll get him throughout all of them, so I don't have to buy his. Because usually when I'm done unboxing, like the first thing I do is let me buy everything IM so I have all my biased. I love Juhyun's hair. Especially with the all black hair. Oh man. That smoky eye he had. And Shonu. See, I'm glad they did a color around as well, so it's not just plain white, which is a pet peeve of mine here, but that's okay. I'll brighten the photo up. And how with his blue tips again. I love these little background images too. one's got an apple. I feel like is this the apple, like the Adam and Eve being Eden or something? These look so nice though, the coloring they have going on. Oh, wow. Yeah. Shouldn't look so good in suits. Their outfits have been really, really cool for the live performances. They almost have like gator like skin on them to be like these little armor type pieces, I guess. And they have a lot of sheer pieces too, which I won't complain about. Okay, and then these are all the lyrics. I'm going to go through this one time and then I'm going to skip it in all of the others because it will be the same. I always have to come back through later and actually read who did the music. Ah, Steve Aoki. He's making his debut over here in Korea, man. Okay, on our CD, mine's kind of sliding out, but here, oh my gosh. Here we go. Nice red. Okay, and on to the next one. Okay, so now we have our RE version, I guess. Just say the versions down here too. Fold this out. Oop, there we go. I don't know about this brown color. 17 just had brown for theirs and I was not liking it. Ooh, I remember these teaser images. I am is too good looking for my soul. I love these two being paired. I really like I Am with Joohyun too. Like when they do their little rap back and forth battle. I don't really know about this location though. Ooh, look at that. The smoke coming between his fingers. That looks so cool. Ooh, look at that outfit. I still miss Captain Frost. Minnie Huck's frosty hair. That was one of my favorites. More of those white outfit photos. Okay, and then again we've got another group card. And then Julian, oh, I love that background. A unit card. Transparent. No I am in this one. Minnie Huck. Okay, and then again all the lyrics, and then it looks like the disc is the same, just says version 2 on it. Okay, now for the next one, what do we have? Yeah, the HER version. Okay. I have a feeling I am's not going to have his blonde hair, and I'm going to be so sad. I want like one photo. Just give me one photo of it. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's a really good photo of young one. His eyes, like, they don't seem like a gray. They seem like gray with like some white in there. Oh man. It looks so good. Are these going to be like the promo white outfits they were wearing? Oh, I loved those. Yes, they are. Look at Aya. Oh, man. Look at that hat. I'll have to check who their stylist was for these. Oh, that hat looks hilarious. Okay, all these goods are like crunching, so let me pull those out. Like, these jewelry necklace pieces they have going on look so pretty. Like, their accessory game has been on point. Those necklaces they had in Jealousy. God. I think this one might be my favorite so far. I think it says Jew Honey. It's so Jihyun. That's funny. I didn't even check to see if the other ones had it too. Ooh. All right, Wonho. All right. Wonho has zero problem showing off his body, man. Gosh. The lyrics again, and then it seems the discs will all be the same. Okay, now the cards. Let me show those real fast since I pulled them out. So I get another group one. So it looks like this one's more themed to the photo book. And then the unit card. Shonu. Come on, I am. Oh, young one. Okay. So let's give it a look. Ugh. Come on. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Like that. I just woke up from sleeping look. Yeah. Teasing a little skin over here. Oh, they all say it, Jew Honey. Oh, cute. Ooh, jeez. Shonu. kind of give me that what I just woke up look. Oh gosh, I have a feeling one of those gonna look the same. Okay. Jeez. Oh yes. Boys are not shy. Nope. I mean, if you work out, why not? Alright, so here we've got, oh geez, another group card. So it seems like all of these are going to be group cards instead of the random different members like it was in the last one. But I got Young One. Oh, I love this outfit and look for Young One. So happy I got that. And then who's my transparent? One Ho. Do I have the same one? Because I think I have one of his. And then Shonu again. Come on, I am a Kihyun. Okay, let's keep flipping through. Need to get I ams in that white outfit, and I'll be content. Kihyun got the memo too. We're gonna tease some skin memo. I see them buttons. Alright, lyrics and then the red disc again. Okay, let me show you the folded posters and then we'll go through my second copies. Well, I'll not go through them, just open them for the photo cards. So Amazon was nice enough to just not really fold them this time, so there's no real intense crease lines. So I'm really, really happy with how they came this time. So each one's kind of like the piece that folded open in the albums is kind of what the poster is. So of course, like I said, I'll do a little picture and then put it up. But look at that. I don't know if that's a shirt or if I'm doing a little peek for us, but let's see it. I see it. Okay. There's one. Gonna move it out of my way here. And then this is like the version 4 one we just went through. That I just woke up from napping one. Okay, and then here's 3. Well, I don't know if it's version. I think this is version 1. And this is what it looks like to me. Okay, and then this one's upside down. Gosh. Here we go. Oh. For the fourth one. Those are the posters you could get. And then I'm just going to open whichever one's in the order here. So this is the RE one. Okay. I am, please. Work some magic. Okay. Got the cards, everything's upside down. Stuck it there. So another group one. I don't know if I have that one. So we've got our transparent Minhyuk. And then Shonu. I am in Minhyuk. I'll take I am any way I can get the card. Yes. I got I am with the white outfit that I said I wanted. Ooh, now I got fluff flying around. Kind of see it. Okay. I am, but no duplicates. Come on, mom, baby guys. Help me out. Okay. Oh, I got I Am a Minhyuk again. And then Kihyun's. Ah, I love these white outfit ones. So I got Minhyuk's. And then I believe this one's a duplicate because there's probably only 4, one for each version. And then, I'm loving these ones. Kihyun looks so good. These ones are going to be my favorite. I kind of want to make a custom photo card sleeve for these, even though they'll fit in the current sleeves just fine. But I feel this strong want to like do a cool sleeve with like, I don't know, pearls and stuff like that. I don't know. Okay. 2 left to go. Come on. Keep giving me the good cards. Come on, come on. All right. I'm doing that like to hope the cards come out upside down. Oh my god, the posters. Okay, so I don't know if I have any duplicates, but we'll go through again all of the cards that I have at the end to see how many duplicates and what I actually have at the end. So I got one Ho. So I have both because I do remember I had the other one. So I might have a duplicate. I probably do if I have both, and I got 3 of those. So there we go. And then one Ho. I don't have one of his yet. Kihyun, the one Ho. And then Kihyun. All right. The least amount of duplicates, the better for me. I will accept. All right. And then the last one I have. Okay. Got like a mess going on over here. No, I can see the cards. Okay. Except for that one stays this way. I flipped open to a good spot. Okay. Photo card. And I got a 9, but I think it's a duplicate. But still. We are destined. Kihyun. Okay. So I don't have any transparency of one of I Am. Got another one of Minhyuk's. I love that card though. And then Minhyuk and one Ho. Okay. So let me grab all my cards. This beautiful pile. Let's pull it all, sort it all out so we can see exactly everything that I got. All right. So not 100% sure where that video just cut off, so it's probably somewhere with me flipping through the cards. But we're going to look at them all. Okay. Sorry, my desk chair is kind of like loud and annoying. All right. Yep. Look how adorable I Am is. So I got the set for one hose. I feel like I got all the white ones almost for everybody. Because I got 4. Okay. I'm kind of running out of space. Ah! That's okay. That means I got a lot of cards. And not too many duplicates. So it looks like I got 3 out of the 4 postcards. Yeah. Because I'm assuming there's one for each version. So I got 3 out of the 4. Let's see. Yep, duplicate for one hose. Got Minhyuk set as well. Just going to cover those up. Duplicate of I Am. There we go. So I only got duplicates of Minhyuk and one Ho, Shonu's, Minhyuk's, and that's it. And then one of the couple of the transparents. Not bad, I think. I mean, I got a crap ton of duplicates for the postcard size ones, but or the Polaroid ones, but that's okay. But that's a lot. I'm always happy to get the duplicates with these because there's like a trillion photo cards. But of course, I don't know if I'll do a custom sleeve for these. I'm not 100% sure. But if you'd love to see me make one, definitely like this video and put a comment down below. If I get enough, I'll definitely try to design and come up with something. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you'd like. And until the next video. Bye, guys.